Over the past few years, Samsung has made significant progress in perfecting the foldable phone, and its forthcoming flagship foldable device, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5, is anticipated to surpass its predecessors in terms of quality and features. As the device is not anticipated to be released until late 2023, there is limited information currently available on the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5, though a few details have emerged, including its potential launch date and pricing. Only a few genuine leaks have surfaced about the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5, and the initial leaks suggest that the device will be equipped with a Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset is expected to succeed the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 and Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 chipsets that power several of the top Android devices in 2022, such as the Galaxy Z Fold 4. Hence, it was probable that either the Gen 2 chipset or a Plus version of it would be incorporated in the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5. According to the same source, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 is expected to feature a triple-lens rear camera with a 50-megapixel primary sensor, which is identical to the Galaxy Z Fold 4's camera setup that includes a 12-megapixel ultra-wide and a 10-megapixel telephoto lens. Another rumored feature of the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 is the implementation of a water drop-shaped hinge that would allow both sides of the device to lay flat against each other, potentially enhancing its durability. A subsequent report has supported this claim and additionally stated that the phone will be waterproof. For Samsung to make the ultimate foldable phone, there are 5 key things it needs to do. Equipping the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 with the same cameras as the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. Although the cameras on the Galaxy Z Fold 4 are decent, they do not match Samsung's top-of-the-line camera technology, despite the device being the most expensive in the company's lineup. Those who are willing to invest such a considerable amount of money in a phone are likely to expect the best of the best, and the current camera configuration falls short of that. Therefore, for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5, we anticipate that the device will feature the same camera setup as the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, which will presumably incorporate Samsung's most advanced camera technology to date, eliminating the visible crease on the display. Despite Samsung's impressive advancements in foldable screen technology, the visible crease on the screen remains an issue that users can feel when swiping across the display. While this may not be a significant concern for most users and something they can adapt to, it is still a flaw in an otherwise exceptional screen. Therefore, it is our expectation that Samsung will successfully conceal a visible crease on the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 screen. Lowering the price, the primary drawback of the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 is its high cost, as it is one of the most expensive phones available, even surpassing the price of the iPhone 14 Pro Max. Considering the size of the screen and the technology involved, the high cost is not surprising. However, if foldable phones are to become mainstream, the price must decrease. We expect Samsung to reduce the price of the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 to make it more accessible to a broader range of consumers. Improved charging speed compared to other flagships like the OnePlus 10T's 150-watt or the Xiaomi 12 Pro's 120-watt charging capabilities. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4's charging speed is notably slower, with a maximum of 25-watt wired or 15-watt wireless charging. While we do not anticipate Samsung to achieve the same charging power as those phones, we hope the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 will offer a faster charging speed with an estimated range of 60 watt to 80 watt, which is a significant improvement over its predecessor. A larger battery capacity. Considering the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4's battery capacity of 4,400 mAh is smaller than many conventional smartphones, it seems inadequate for a device with such a large foldable screen. We hope to see a significant increase in battery size with the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5. Ideally, a minimum of 5,000 mAh would be ideal, similar to the battery capacity of the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, which should not be too difficult to achieve for Samsung. What do you think about today's leak? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. As always, see you in the next video. Peace out.